Let's learn LaTeX part 6. In this chapter, we will see how to insert tables into your LaTeX document, be it a small table with 2 to 3 rows and columns, or be it a large table with 10 to 12 columns and rows. You can insert them effortlessly using LaTeX. Let's find out how.
For inserting tables into your LaTeX document, we begin with the begin table command. Begin table within curly braces and mention the location for the table like you have mentioned in the case of the images insertion. So it is HTBP, so that it adjusts itself according to the place available. Next we use backslash centering. Then we begin the tabular section. Begin tabular. Here separate the columns by the different pipes. The number of pipes indicate the number of columns. Here C stands for centering. Backslash H line indicates a horizontal line at the beginning of the table. Then you have your table headers. So we have used bold font text here and with the names of the table headers in curly braces, ID, name and score. Be very sure to separate the table contents by the and symbol and end a row by the double backslash. Draw another horizontal line here. Thereafter enter the contents of the table 1 and Alice and 85 close by backslash. Similarly 2 and Bob and 92 close by backslash. The end indicates the separation between the tabular columns. Thereafter close the table by the horizontal line again and then end the tabular. After you end the tabular, you can insert the caption for the table, write the text inside the curly braces, the label for the reference in your text, and then end it by the end table command. Thereafter, you can compile it, and here is your table.
I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel.